Welcome to Nature's Expression. We have here a whole series of rocks, minerals, and crystals for you that just arrived from my 40-foot container that I bought in Brazil a couple of months ago. The first one I wanted to show you was Quartz Crystal. This is a reasonable sized piece. They come in caves in all different shapes and sizes. And when they break off, we sell them as points. They're fashioned into spheres, into wands, pretty well everything that you can imagine over there, they'll do it. Amethyst is the purple variety of quartz with iron. It comes in different grades, different colors, and in different prices. Fashioned into spheres as well. They're a little bit more rare because a large piece of amethyst point is hard to get, not unlike a large cluster of quartz. Citrine is heated amethyst, and as it gets darker, the price goes up because it's an expensive piece of amethyst that they have to start with. They heat it up to 550 degrees centigrade in an oven for about an hour. Another interesting quartz is this strawberry quartz, which we don't have a lot of because it's relatively rare, but it still is in some demand. Rose quartz is the love stone, and it contains titanium, very popular because of its price. And last, this is rose amethyst, which usually grows at the bottom of an amethyst cathedral, and it contains crystalline quartz like agate and some crystalline quartz in pink color. And another form of quartz is green quartz here, which is a stone of balance. Most green colored stones are stones of balance because they're associated with the heart chakra. And it's green because it contains chromium. The darker green is green aventurine. It usually has little sparkles in it of chrome mica. And it's a fairly new stone for us. Another one, green stone, is a bluish green stone. It's Amazonite. It's the stone of courage. It's actually a green feldspar. Another one is Aquamarine. Of course, it's a calming stone, and it releases anxiety. And we have a fair amount of this material. On this side we have Diopside, which is a stone of regeneration. It's quite a popular stone too. This is new for us. This is called the stone of success, but it's serpentine. And the name serpentine originated from the feel of the stone that's polished. It's kind of greasy like a serpent. If you've ever had the fortune to touch a snake, you'll know. This one is yellow turquoise. I often think of this more of a serpentine, but it is chalky like turquoise. And as turquoise is known as a sacred stone. So yellow turquoise. Back up here, we have the start of the mica groups, basically. This is a peace stone. It's known as lepidolite, and it contains lithium. Lithium was once used to calm mental patients, and that's why it's called a peace stone. Over here, this is another form of mica. This is green mica, and it's known as fuchsite. It's another balancing stone. Comes in size is not much bigger than this because it's fairly thin, as you can see. Blue kyanite enhances creativity, and it's found within mica mines. This is a very popular stone. It's black tourmaline with mica. You see these little shiny parts on it. And it's really good for grounding and releasing negativity because it is like a mirror. This is true mica, these two here. Mica means crumb in Latin, so it's a little bit of a crummy stone, but it's very popular. And it's used in several different ways. It's used in capacitors, pearlized paint, and it's even mushed up and used for gyprock repair. Last, this is gypsum or selenite, depending on who you talk to. It's often found within an amethyst cathedral over here, and it's rarely one of the clearest forms of gypsum in the world, found in Brazil. The other ones are quite opaque, like this gypsum or the selenite from Morocco. Brazil is well known for its quartz, amethyst, and agate. Not necessarily in that order. There's tons of agate in the south, and that's where I go to do my buying. And when I first went there, I asked them, what do you use an agate slab for? And they didn't have any idea, and I didn't either, so I didn't buy them for years, and now they sell really well. So agate comes as a geode, round ball. That's why whenever you see it, it's roundish. It's been cut in the shape of a candle holder, flat in the candle holder, or a decorator piece like this, or in geode been cut and sliced and polished in the form of a bookend, or even an obelisk. They come in different colors and sizes and pyramids. Anything you can imagine, they'll cut it for you, even jewelry. So just for a note, this blue color is one of the most color fast of all. You can put that in the sun and it won't fade. Whereas the teal colors and purple and other colors will. Black, for example, won't fade because it's made with boiling nitric acid and carbon together, and it just fixes into the agate. And we have many different sizes, shapes, and colors. Well, thanks for coming by today and having a look to see what we have available here at Nature's Expression. Not all things come in all sizes and shapes, so if you want something special, call your sales rep as soon as possible. And some of it we have a tremendous amount of stock in, and some of it which was more difficult to get, we have less of. So if you need something, let us know. We'll be here ready to serve you. Thank you.